Do you have stinky bath mats or get tired of having to hang your bath mat up all the time? I do. And I've been looking at all the Diatomaceous Earth stone mats as I think they look fantastic and I love that they dry instantly, but I don't like the idea of something stone on my bathroom floor that I could trip on or stub my toe on. So I was really excited to come across this. This is Diatomaceous Earth mat that will dry instantly, doesn't hurt my toes, is soft and comfortable, but it's not a stone. It's still flexible. So it gives me everything I want in one mat. So let's check it out. Here's how it looks when it comes out. It is super soft. The top is soft, but not like that softness that's gonna absorb too much liquid. Just feels really good. The bottom is a non-slip rubber surface. And again, liquid should never get through it. It is waterproof and this will dry instantly. Has the logo in one corner. Let's put it down and see how it looks. Here it is at the base of my shower. It's very minimalist. I could have gone with the size up, but I didn't know how big I wanted to go. And I love this. That should be a perfect size. So let's get it wet and see how that looks. I'm gonna go with wet hands. Put my handprints down on it. Wow. That already went really fast, faster than I expected, but let's see how long those take to absorb in. I'm gonna talk the whole time so you know they're going. I can already see them starting to go. Like that's already going away pretty fast. I'm really impressed at how well that's working. I'm gonna pour some water on it on the corner while that's going to see what happens here. So now I'm pouring along the side. I just wanna see how it soaks that in. Handprint's already almost gone. Other one is taking a little bit of time, but it should go really fast. And it just took all of that water. It's not going underneath. It's holding it all in. That is a total win. It's soft. I'm not gonna stub my toes and I don't have to hang this or worry about it. It is not gonna smell. It's gonna do everything I want. So for me, this is an absolute win. I'm really quite impressed.